Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Statistics for data science. In this part, we will discuss measure of center tendency, arithmetic mean, which is a most widely used measure of center tendency. Following topics will be covered in this video. Measure of center tendency, arithmetic mean, its example, application of arithmetic mean, characteristics of arithmetic mean, and finally, Python implementation. So what is measure of certain tendency? Measure of certain tendency is a single value that describes a set of data to identify the central position within that set of data. It is descriptive summary of data set, reflects the center of the data distribution. The tendency of the data set can be found out using the three important measures, namely arithmetic mean, median, and mode. Arithmetic mean represents the average value of the data sets. It is the simplest and most widely used measure and fundamental tool for data analysis. Arithmetic mean can be calculated by sum of all values divided by their number. If we have a group data, we can use the formula summation fi divided by summation fi, where f is the frequency of the respective value. Here is simple example how to calculate arithmetic mean. The data consists of 7 days pizza order per day. So there are 7 values in this data. Number of values n is 7 and sum of all values 138. So mean is equal to 19.71. So which is approximately equal to 20. It means that average number of pizza orders per day is 20. Uh, this is actually arithmetic mean is actually balancing point in the data sets. Here 5 is the arithmetic mean of the following values 1, 2, 6, 7, 9, which balance the data, which represent the data as a whole. There are different application of arithmetic mean in real life, economics and finance. Economists use the arithmetic mean to analyze consumer trends, household consumption. In finance, uh, arithmetic mean can be used to gain the insights, average salaries, monthly expenses. In healthcare, the arithmetic mean is used to evaluate treatment and studying health trends, recovery time, average blood pressure, and so on. In education, we can use arithmetic mean to evaluate the performance of a class. Uh, in business and management, cost per unit, quarterly profits, and market price trends can be calculated by using the arithmetic mean. In sports, we can use the arithmetic mean for average points scored by a player or team, average goals squared per game. There are different characteristics of arithmetic mean. Uh, it is best for symmetrical data. When the data is symmetrical, the mean accurately reflects the center of the data distribution. Uh, Arithmetic means includes all values in the data set for calculation. It means that all the values contribute in the mean to sensitive to outliers. The extreme value affect the arithmetic mean. For example, if we have a data for the weight data of the five peoples, so now its mean is 96, which is misleading and not a good representative of the data sets due to the extreme value 250 kg. So it pull the arithmetic mean to the tail, not suitable for skew data. The mean can be pulled toward the tail of the distribution by extreme values. So we cannot, it is not a good measure of the tendency when the data is skewed. Cannot be used for nominal data. Nominal data represent category without any inherent order. So we cannot perform any mathematical operations. Uh, so in this way, it is not possible to calculate arithmetic mean for the nominal data. Here is simple implementation of Python. So we can calculate the arithmetic mean in different ways using the Python. So here we have a simple example. For example, if we have a data of marks, let's say for 5 students, this is the test score. Now to calculate the average, so sum of all values, we will use the sum function uh, to get the sum of all values divide by the number. So length function can be used to get the number of values in the list. So now to get the average, so this is the average 5.5. We can also use a statistics module to calculate the arithmetic mean in the Python. For from statistics, import mean. So average is equal to mean, and we can use the above data marks. Now print avg, so we will get the same answer. uh, if we have a group data, so we can use the numpy average function to calculate the arithmetic mean from group data. For example, if we have a student marks and frequency with their respective frequency. For example, there are 10 students having 4 marks, 5, and so on, all these other frequencies. Now, to get the uh, average, so first of all, we import the numpy. Uh, then average is equal to np dot average air data, and their frequencies are weights are equal to frequency. Now to print the average. So there are different ways to calculate the arithmetic mean for the data set using the Python.